Today we are taking a look at one of the most advanced dashboard upgrades you can install in your car. This is the 11.26-inch 4K car DVR with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, GPS navigation, and front and rear video recording, all in one smart display. The first thing you notice is the large 11.26-inch IPS Touch Screen, offering a 1920 by 720 resolution. The size is carefully chosen to give you a wide field of view without blocking visibility, making it safer than smaller screens. Touch response is smooth and fast, perfect for navigation and media control. This device supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to connect your phone easily for navigation, music, calls, messages, and voice commands using Siri or Google Assistant. It also supports AirPlay and Android Cast, so you can mirror videos and apps directly to the screen. One of the biggest highlights is the 4K front camera with a 360-degree rotatable lens, combined with a 1080p rear camera. This gives you up to 3 recording channels, covering the road ahead, inside or side views, and the rear. The system supports real-time recording, loop recording, and emergency locking, so important footage is always protected. The built-in GPS navigation provides accurate positioning, while audio can be output through Bluetooth, FM transmission, or Develuck, making it compatible with almost any car audio system. Installation is simple and flexible, with dashboard mount, windshield suction mount, or adhesive bracket options. No special skills required.